How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn on professional mode on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, professional mode on Facebook is just like how you have the professional and creator accounts on TikTok, Instagram and so on. Facebook has also rolled out such type of feature, and if you want to turn on professional mode, you have to go and open the Facebook application here. But before that, also make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Now once done, you can tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen here, and here you'll find the three dots option. When you tap the three dots option, you'll find this option here known as turn on professional mode. So tap on turn on professional mode option, tap on the turn on option, and professional mode will definitely get activated on your own profile, as you would be able to find it. This way you will be able to turn on or off professional mode on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.